Actually,
Uh,
before anything else, since nandito na rin po kayo, we would actually like to maybe let you hear the snippets of our tracks. Ilan ba ang paparinig natin? 5. So, since meron kaming 5 new tracks and we value your time, syempre, di ba? We want to give you more. We want you guys to hear this. So, ayun.
Alam nyo, bagong development to. As in, ngayon nyo lang naisip. Guys, ang swerte nyo!
Yes, ngayon lang po. Ngayon lang.
Okay, so ipaparinig po natin ang ilan sa mga tracks. Ito ba yung mga bago?
Yes
Yung
po.
bagong songs, maririnig na natin, guys! Let's go! Okay, let's hear it.
Blast it off, blast it off. Remix po yun.
Remix. Oo. Ganyan po sila ka-hands-on sa lahat ng shows nila. I've been witness to that. Talagang bawat detail ay gusto po nilang pagandahin. And they want to deliver the best experience, not just for the fans, but also for the friends from the media na laging nakasuporta sa SB19.
When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only good I ever done. I can't wait to fill the world with a memory. Sabi ko pa nun dati ayos na mag-isa, Laking pasasalamat ko sa ama't binigay kanya, Yung
Sabihin ba natin anong track yun?
Yeah,
That
I
was?
think so.
Sinabi naman yung title.
That was the number 2 track, Memories. Sinabi naman na sa lyrics.
Memories.
Yes.
Ayun po. Saan na-enjoy?
Memories.
So that's one.
Somebody to play with for a night.
This one.
You're crazy with your
You are fire, I was smoke. You came over to play, and I didn't ask us. Did you call my name? I couldn't face what I felt. Daydreaming wasn't right. Now I still keep all our secrets. I see the picture. It's leading me around. Feels like something could go badly wrong. But the imagination took us away. Tell me why you giving me all that on and off. You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night. You're crazy with your is unpredictable. Following your drama, say you can trust no guy. No, you wanna treat me like I'm just another toy friend. I don't wanna be just another toy friend. I don't wanna be just another toy friend.
Are you guys enjoying the listening party? Listening party pala bigla, no? Album listening party. All 24 tracks. Ne, joke lang. Yung bago lang, guys. Bagong songs.
So that one is a collaboration between the first Japanese K-pop artist and group.
season, hey, cause I smell the stupid red. I ain't mad, get the bed, run it,
Don't be like a cold day. So I turn the heat up and not sure everybody gon' feel me. Shit looks in my drip top like each from that movie. Matter of fact, all this room so heavy gon' take all the bitches to mold me. Now this was
Name so clean, you will slip if you step where I step. Name so loud, they gon' move when I walk, no respect. Say you sick, that I'm my doctor move. Son, you won't get checked. When they go toe to toe, I bet. Promise you can't come with a man. Nah, I'm bigger than you, ego. Just me, you and Nana. Put the Valentino. Pink black on the Figo. So the shit in my show. Cameras on me, flash mode. In the middle of the crowd. Only passing in the time. Forget the person, catch your flies. All this flash just made me blind. Yeah. This is bad, chasing, hey, cause I smell the stupid rain. I made, get the bag, better, run it, ever, play. Get the bag, better run it.
Ken, anong kanta yon? That was
That one's ever black.
Ever Black.
Yeah,
Okay, let's go to our next track. Oh. Wag muna na tayo mag-reveal much about each track. Title lang,
Yes.
title.
Tell me what, tell me what you try to get it, tell me what, tell me what you try to get it, tell me what, tell me what you try to get it, tell me what, tell me what you try to get it.
I wake up, I log in, lights hit my face and I'm in. Get the neon skin, I'm glowing. Keep it cute, keep it exciting.
Read the cover for a messy place. What's in my mind cannot be traced. And I won't say much, just get your face. With thumbs ups and hearts like this in a
Swipe, swipe, pause, slash post, then I'll pause. Trending fingers crossed. I don't really mind cause it ain't my loss.
I'm living like a villain and I'm killing like a boss. Game time. Tago-tago ng feelings in my whole side. Emoji with a minute, go read between the lines.
Don't wanna be the thunderball. See now I built this wonderwall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. Don't wanna be the thunderball. See now I built this wonderwall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. Beautiful.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. True? Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you.
I kinda like the feel. This morning things I feel. Emoji knows the drill.
I'm faking cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emoji knows the drill.
Yeah. And that is called Emoji. That's a collaboration song with super pop star Jolene.
Yes, Jolene. Pwede pong sumayaw, guys, ha? Huwag kayo mahiya. Oo, sabayan nyo ako kasi nahihiya ako makijive. Okay, thank you. That was Emoji. And last one, guys.
Yes.
Ay, ito na. Yung sinasabi mo. Saksak puso, tulo ang dugo. Get ready to cry, guys.
Di ko na makita pa ang liwanag na dati malaya. Patuloy lang sa paglakad ang aking mga paa. Panatag na kailanman di ako mag-isa. Ngunit unti-unting kumampas lahat ng kulay. Naglaho ang sigla ng dating punong-puno ng buhay. Kinabukasan man ay walang patunay. Umaasa na hindi ka pa mawawala. Kung lahat may hanggan, pwede bang huwag mo na kung bitawan? Di ba't kung mahalaga, di mo hayaang bawalan ng basta. Alam kong pagod ka na.
Grabe naman yun! Nananakit kayo, guys! That was
Wakas.
Wakas. Pang ilang track Last,
The
kasi
last
wakas.
track. Yes.
Ayun na. Okay, so guys, na-enjoy niyo ba yung surprise listening party natin?
Maraming salamat.
Alright, that's SB19 for you. Pablo, you wanna say something?
Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. Katulad po ng sinabi namin, malaking party po kayo ng journey ng SB19. That's why we wanted to let you guys listen kahit sa snippet ng mga kanta. And sobrang, yung journey po ng SB19, ito pong closure na ginagawa namin. Sobrang laki po ng effect sa amin. Personally, sa maturity namin, sa lahat ng bagay-bagay. Sana po magustuhan niyo yung buong track na inilalabas namin kasi po ito po yung mga tracks na lalabas po ng ibang bansa para ipakita yung Filipino talent. Maraming salamat po again. Maraming salamat po. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung pakikinig sa aming panibagong mga tracks. Thank you po.
Thank you very much. Once again, SB19, maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you
Salamat po.
everyone for being part of this milestone. This is not the end. This is just the beginning. SB19, Wakas at Simula will be released this Friday, March 27, 2026 on all digital music platforms worldwide via Sony Music Entertainment. Ako po si Aida La Cruz, your host for today. Thank you so much, guys. See you sa concert. Woo!
Sa bulala ako'y nagbang-bang-bang. Walang araw ko'y titigalin. Kasi ngaya ako ay magaling. Kahit walang maling kahit na anong bang gawin. Ano ba? Paano naman kailangan ng magsakay? Paano na rin Pinoy, 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 Pinoy.
What if kalmahan lang natin? Let's go.